Hello again!
Hello, hello.
So this week we spent up in Kent, not in Kent, in Cooktown.
Partially in Kent.
Partially in Kent.
We said goodbye to some of our friends in Big Four.
Yes.
And our family. But before that, we spent all together close to Cooktown. What was the name of the camp?
Trevethan Farm Stay.
So that was a hip camp find. Trevethan Farm Stay, close to
Trevethan Falls.
Trevethan Falls, which
And we've been there.
explored.
And that was awesome.
There was
I
a
love it
river.
there.
There was a river.
And live carefully against the wall of the workshop for another day.
And there was on the like in front of the waterfall, there was a big rainbow. Rainbow. So
So the hip camp was beautiful. What was there?
goats, chickens, and a pig.
So they had a few animals, and they had a lot of coconuts and some fruit trees and just a little family farm. What else was there? where we stayed?
A river.
Were there any crocs
No.
in the river?
Unfortunately not.
No, they were not. So it was safe to swim in the river.
Yeah.
What else was there? Were there any toilets?
Yeah. And there was also
Shower.
a warm shower.
Warm shower and a washing machine.
Yeah. And Granddad had a shower there.
Me too.
Dad?
I had shower too.
Beautiful spot on the way to Trevethan Falls. Where else did we go from there?
You've been in Cooktown.
Cooktown. It was quite a rainy day.
And we've seen hummingbirds.
Hummingbird! The hummingbirds were yellow and brown.
They were eating.
Yeah, I saw one of them eating.
Nectar. We also seen on the way there burning grass along the
Yeah.
road.
Yeah, there was a lot of it.
Yeah, I think they're trying to
Get rid of the old grass.
probably, I would say
They
they did it on purpose.
yeah.
It
Yeah, there were
wasn't an
signs.
accident.
Yeah, and on one of the things I watched, it said like that they do it on purpose. Like in Africa, they do it to like help the grass grow, and it's good for the animals as well.
Because it clears one layer
Of grass,
of the
grass.
old leaves and dry leaves and all that sort of stuff, and then it has better space, the new grass, to grow again.
And if there is some natural fire, then it's not as big as it's supposed to be if it's not cleared before.
And then we went to another hip camp for one night. That was just before the big hill on the way back to Port Douglas.
Yeah, there was a little creek which there is supposed to be
Platypuses.
platypuses.
And
We
there
woke
was
up early.
yeah to look for them. And there were two swings. There was one normal swing, and there was another rope swing across the stream. And me and Sebi were swinging back and forwards, and I kept touching the water with my feet.
And Sebi,
I went in the water.
He was
He
absolutely
fell in the water.
Yeah.
I absolutely loved it.
that was pretty cool. There was just one space there, one spot, so it was just us. There was a fireplace.
Yeah.
So we did fire.
For
And
a
then,
couple
and the
more
next
nights.
day we went to the rainforest.
Daintree Rainforest.
At Mossman Creek,
Mossman Gorge.
Mossman Gorge.
There was a
And we had a
like
dip.
track and playground.
Mm-hmm.
And we had a dip over there.
I didn't go in the water.
It didn't.
Too cold. There was.
Cold.
I went up to my belly button, then I didn't dip.
What did you want to say, Sabi?
There was a market.
Marketplace, yeah, right.
There was a market, yeah. That was
Yeah.
beautiful.
There you go.
And then we went back to Cairns through Port Douglas.
It's beautiful little town by the ocean. We had a lunch there.
Yes.
We went for a walk through the little town.
And then way back.
Back to Cairns.
Grandma and Granddad were leaving.
So we left them at the airport the next day. But still, we had a beautiful stroll through the town.
And we had beautiful 3 months with them.